Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss the topic from first chapter. The topic is the level of organization. It means how the life is organized. So we will study it in detail. Okay, we all know that all the things are made up of matter in the universe. So we all living or non-living thing both are made up of matter. Okay, and the first level, it means the foundation of life is chemical in nature. So the smallest particle in the matter is called atom. We will know the meaning of atom. Mean not or without. Tom mean cut. It means we cannot cut the atom further. It means that is smallest. It means the organization level starts from the atom. And in the universe there are 114 known elements. So out of 114 known elements, just 16 are bio elements which are used in the organization of biological things. Okay, so what are those bioatoms? Those are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. When these atoms combine together by chemical bond, they will form the molecule. So it means the second level of organization of life is the molecular level. Okay, by combining the different biomolecules, by combining different bioelements, the biomolecules are formed. Okay, we have discussed these biomolecules. So when these bioelements will combine, first they will form the micromolecule. Micro means small. They will form the small molecule just like the glucose, amino acid, and the fatty acid. Okay, when the glucose molecule will combine together, they will form the macromolecule. Micro small, macro large. They will form the large molecule, that is called the carbohydrate. Amino acid, when the amino acid will combine in chain, they will form the protein. As same, the fatty acid molecules are small, they will combine together, they will form the fat molecules. And basic, these macromolecules are in the organization of life. So we have discussed first atomic level is atom, then molecule, and molecules are micro and the macro. Okay, when these will combine together, it means they will form a suspension like structure. We call it protoplasm. Okay, so what is protoplasm? Protoplasm is living matter. It means from the level number 2, the life is started. Okay, protoplasm work in a unit, we call it cell. And same kind of cell, they will combine together, they will form tissue. Different tissue, they will combine different organ. Okay, first we will discuss the tissues. Just like our body have the muscular tissues and we have the nervous tissues for messaging, and the muscular tissues for the body movement, and epithelial tissues for the lining, and connective tissues just like the bones, blood. Okay, so these different tissues combined together, they will form the organ. Just like head is organ, it have muscle for contraction, relaxation, and it has the nerve cell because we feel pain or any message from body to the brain. And we have the blood and the bones, which are connective tissue. And outside the blood vessels, the walls of the blood vessel, they have the epithelial tissues. Okay, so these tissues, different tissue combined together, they form the organ. And the different organs work as a single unit to perform specific function. We call it organ system. Just like digestive organ system, respiratory organ system, and nervous system. These all are organ system. And when these different organ system will combine, we call it multicellular organism. Okay, sometime a single cell can work as entity. Okay, multicellular organism just like human being, cat, insects, bird, trees, amoeba, etc. Okay, so these are the multicellular organism, and this is amoeba example of unicellular organism. So we have discussed level, first atom, second molecule, third is cell, and cell to organism. And when the different organism will combine, all the organism, multicellular organism form are not same morphologically. Morphologically mean externally. So what will happen? So organisms are different, so it means there is a need to classify. So the next level is the taxonomic level. Taxonomy mean arrangement or grouping. So what will happen? The small unit of it is the species. Species mean the smallest taxonomic unit in which the organisms are morphological same, and they can interbreed and produce the fertile offspring. Just like the human is a species, they can interbreed, produce fertile. In the same way, the cats are also species. So smallest taxonomic level is the species. Okay, and when these species are different, just like species of cat, dog, human being, trees, creepers, so there are different species. So after classifying, what we will see, next level is the population level. So what is the meaning of population? Population means the same kind of species in a place, or you may say that population level is the group of same kind of organism, means same species, is called the population. Just like population of trees, mango trees, banana tree, cow, buffaloes, crow. Okay, when these species will combine, they will form the different population. And when the different population will combine in a same habitat, habitat means the place of living. These different species, when live on a single place, they form the community. Just like if you will see the forest, different communities are there. It means population of bird, population of parrot, population of trees, insects. Different populations are living over there in a same habitat. So we call it community level. Okay, just like the pond community level and the forest community level. Okay, so what will happen next? Next to it is the ecological level. First is atomic, second molecular, third is cellular organization, and the fourth is taxonomic, fifth is population, sixth is community, and ecological level, that is 7. Ecology level mean the communities depend on factor from the environment. All the living organism, they are living in a same habitat, but they are affected by their environment. It means in ecological level we will study the living organism and their environment, and we will study it the factors of environment, biological and the non-biological. Okay, biological, it means the living things around them, and abiotic or non-living factors are oxygen, air, water, temperature, etc. Okay, next to ecological system, and next to ecological system is the biosphere. Bio mean Biosphere mean that is pointing to the earth. It means the part of earth where life exists. That is called the biosphere. And it is biosphere is consist of various ecological system. Let's conclude our lesson. Our topic is the level of organization. It means how the living things are organized. It is consist of 8 levels. First is atomic, second molecular, third is cellular organization, fourth taxonomic level, fifth is population level, sixth is community level, seven is ecological level, and the last one biosphere level. Okay student, you can pause the video to understand everything clearly. Okay, Allah Hafiz.